Hi guys, today I'm going to draw Anti Venom from Marvel Spider-Man. Let's start with, first we draw a tiny curve like this, like a lip type, here's like a lip, and then we make a line like up, and then finish it to go down. And then we make two spike things. And there's also going to be coloring step. So make sure you stick with the coloring step too, okay? And then make one line like this. Go up like this. Bring that like that. And now we have Venom. And then we like this, make the line like up here, and then if this is still here, then we go down. We make a line over here, and then we make a line right here, and then we make the bottom part of the lip like this. And then we are going to first make the tongue, or let's make the, first we just make, or let's make like the neck, like this. And then we like this is like the throat, and then we go like this and then do that. Yes, and then I go a little further. And then we're done with the neck for that now. Just we can make a line like this, so then it's like just like the head part. And we're also gonna make it break. He's also gonna get breaking out his head out of some wall maybe. So first let's just make a tongue. He has a longer tongue than Carnage, so to make him as a tongue, you can make the same wobbly lines, or you can make different ones. And by the end of the lip, we start making some jagged, sharp teeth, and then we just make the same jagged sharp teeth at the bottom. Before we make the broken wall, let's first start his decal. And then we just make some lines here. And then we throw some lines at the edges here. And yeah, you can make whatever type of, you make them at any corner that you want. And yeah, and then we make some of the pieces of the wall like shards coming out. Some pieces of the wall broken, that's why. And then a triangle and a piece which is like this. And this is like the nearly broken wall. Then we just make like few more lines like this, like this coming out like here, and some of this up here, like this. And then we just do this. Make a line like this. Make this. And then make a giant triangle that's going out like that. And now it's time to color. First we just use the same black marker, or you use the black color pencil just to put this in here. We're gonna color the eye up first before we like do the eye texture, which is like something. First, just color this in black. So then we can do this. Keep filling this up. Please keep filling this up until it's full. Okay, and then we just make a line like this, make a line like this, like for the eye texture. So this can stay white, or you can like make it like this has to stay white because that's how Anti Venom is. And then we first off we make the tongue and the skin like which any lizard has, like dinosaurs have that and stuff. So yeah, like this. And we're also gonna make him versus Carnage, so then stay part for that. And yeah, we're also gonna make a color and stuff of Carnage too. Okay? And just keep making this as red as you can. And then this, now the wall is going to be like kind of like gray. So it's like a gray wall. So you can use your pencil if you have any gray. Or you can just use a gray color pencil, a gray marker, whatever you would like. And then we mostly just do this, do that, and then we kind of just do this all over the place. We just kind of do this all over the place, like until the wall ends, okay? So then it doesn't really go that bad. And yeah, so you do this like this, make this, and this, and then we just put this right now. So the wall is done. Now we're going to go ahead and draw Carnage. So like he mostly has no gums, so we're not gonna make him like the proper teeth. We just make his lip, and then we go up like the same. We're going to do the same steps, just a few different details, and then we just make a straight line down. And then we like make this go down like the Venom one. Make a point, and then we start making the bottom lip like this. And then we make this as the eye. We have the bigger, we have more different eyes in Venom, and we kind of taking this up. Like this, like this, and then we just do this, do that, and then we do this, do that, do this, and then we like taking this the last time. Right now we're taking make it the last time. If you're done with color pencil, just use a thick color pencil to do it, and we're gonna make the throat. But Carnage has a shorter tongue, so then they're going to first make it like this, and then we make the tongue like a little shorter with some of the detail like this. Okay, and then we just make him, his teeth are mostly black, so then
I will add music in it.
and then we can just do some black teeth, and then we just make the last few teeth, and then that's going to be it for Carnage. We just make it red and then we're done with Carnage. And here's a piece of the wall which we're gonna color in
जल्दी
grey.
कर लो क्योंकि 5:35 हो गए. Doesn't matter, मैं म्यूजिक डाल दूँगी क्योंकि बाबा की आवाज़ें आ गई हैं इसमें.
We just make a grey one. We make
जल्दी कर लो क्योंकि देर हो जाएगी वरना.
and then we make him like a pink tongue, just to not mix the red that good, so it doesn't look like weird. And then we just wait. No, not this button. And so then we can and then we're just going to make it really good. I hope yours also comes out good.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my friend makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do.
Now we're done. And this is how it's supposed to be.
I know what I'm supposed to do.